Trust is not something you can claim. It's something you can prove through consistency, precision, and delivery. At AK Interiors, every project we complete tells a story of challenges met, deadlines honored, and partnerships strengthened. Because in the end, the spaces we build speaks louder than the promises we make. Let's take a closer look at some of the projects that define what we stand for. Real example of execution excellence, attention to detail, and the trust we have built along the way. Project 1. HDFC Bank branch in Mumbai at Mumra. Let's start with the HDFC Bank branch in Mumra, a 4,000 square feet project completed with strict 8 weeks timeline. The site was earlier a restaurant requiring complete dismantling and structural rework. Low ceiling height and inverted beams demanded a custom electrical and lighting plan. The raised kitchen area needed leveling before interiors could proceed. The long, narrow layout required smart space planning for smooth customer movement. Despite these challenges, the project was delivered on time, ready for operations in just 8 weeks. Project 2. Ghansoli, a private office. Moving on, the Ghansoli project, a 15,000 square feet private office, tested our ability to synchronize multiple teams and trades within a compressed 8 weeks window. Tight schedule with parallel activities for civil, electrical, and HVAC works, daily tracking and mid-stage audits to maintain progress and quality. Our project management system ensured transparent coordination across vendors. Modular execution accelerated on-site efficiency. The result, a snack-free handover and a perfect aligned execution plan. Let's move on to Project 3 in Mumbai, a private office at Godrej Vikhroli. The Godrej Offsite project, a 14,800 square feet private office, where precision and finish standards were exceptionally high and timelines were equally demanding. Brand-aligned detailing required millimeter level precision. Seamless coordination between design, production, and site teams enabled agility. Rapid response to design changes without compromising on finish. The outcome, a high finish precision built environment matching client's benchmark. Let's move on to Project 4, IndusInd Nippon Life Insurance Private Office at Mira Road, Mumbai. The IndusInd Nippon Life Insurance Private Office at Mira Road, Mumbai, a 7,000 square feet workspace executed within 6 weeks, presented one of our most complex spatial challenges. Dual layout site divided by a central duct requiring meticulous planning, full dismantling of the old office before reconstruction, restricted material access managed through phased delivery, tight on-site coordination between fabrication and installation teams, delivered a fully operational and compliant office within 6 weeks. From retail banking to corporate offices, each project stands as a testimony to our process-driven approach, where challenges become opportunities to prove reliability. Behind every successful project lies a silent engine which keeps it moving. Our in-house manufacturing facility, end-to-end production of furnitures, fixtures, and modular systems, quality checks at every stage for material and finish uniformity, faster turnaround, minimal vendor dependency, and zero compromise on standards, capability to handle parallel production for multi-site rollouts. That's how our factory keeps every project on schedule, turning designs into deliverables seamlessly. What does all this translate into for our clients? A simple, clear promise, AK assurance. Clarity. Every scope, timeline, and responsibility defined upfront. Consistency. Quality maintained across every location. Control. Projects tracked through robust internal management systems. Commitment. Timelines respected. Transparency maintained. Care. Post-handover support to ensure sustained performance. And that's what makes AK Interiors more than just a project execution company. It makes us a trusted partner for brands across the country. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our execution teams deliver projects with the same precision and discipline that defined our name. From factory to flow, every detail reflects our commitment to quality and trust. Because for us, every project says the same thing. We don't just build interiors, we build trust.